Text 1. Thrills and chills. Roller coasters are not all the same. Slowly, the roller coaster's cars click up the hill. The roller coaster reaches the very top of the track. It pauses for a moment. Then suddenly, the roller coaster zooms down. The people on the roller coaster scream and yell. Roller coasters are made to give people thrills and chills. There are two main types of roller coasters: wooden roller coasters and steel roller coasters. They are built in different ways. They also work in different ways. But all roller coasters are made to be crazy rides. Wooden roller coaster. Giant support structure. Wooden roller coasters are mostly made of wood. In the wooden roller coaster in the picture on page 1, wooden beams hold the tracks up in the air. As the cars ride over the tracks, the wood sways back and forth a little. That makes the cars rattle and jolt as they move. The cars especially rattle when they ride over the places where the pieces of the tracks are connected. You get a bumpy ride on a roller coaster. Early on, roller coasters were wooden, but today, wooden roller coasters are rare. This is because they are expensive to keep working well. They need to be fixed often. Also, people like loops, and most wooden roller coasters do not have loops. Inventors are trying to find ways to add more loops to wooden roller coasters. They have even made some wooden roller coasters that can go upside down. Steel roller coaster. Steel roller coasters use steel beams to hold up their tracks. As the picture on this page shows, this is very different from wooden roller coasters. Steel is very strong, so steel roller coasters don't need the giant support structure that wooden roller coasters need. Steel roller coasters are more popular than wooden ones because they can have more loops and go higher and faster. Steel roller coasters are also more popular because they are less expensive to keep working. They last a long time. Inventors are working to make steel coasters even more thrilling. New steel coasters have been built that let people stand up and lay down when they ride. There are now steel roller coasters that can even go higher than the Statue of Liberty. Ride the ride. Today, roller coasters can be found all over the world. Although some are made of wood and some are made of steel, all roller coasters are made to give people thrills and chills.